In 2003, SARS hit Hong Kong, and we didn't know what it was at the moment. We knew it was an infectious disease, a new infectious disease. And there were about 4 or 5 months in Hong Kong where we literally shut the city down. People were not going out. People were not coming to Hong Kong. So that created an experience, an unforgettable experience for us. We realized that it was very important for there to be good air circulation. After that, people paid a lot more attention to how buildings could be designed and built. Hong Kong is what I would call an ultra-extreme high-density city. We have about 42,000 buildings. Because we are a service economy, we don't have a lot of industry. 60% of the carbon emissions from Hong Kong actually come from the building sector.
After SARS happened, we very quickly realized that our built environment actually have a deep impact on our health. From individual buildings, how the sewage pipe is worked, the ventilation of the building inside is important. Ronald & Partners, it's an architectural design firm. We are specialized in high-density urban environment, and our focus is on creating human-centric design as well as sustainability design. We try to really create communities around our projects and bring about a rejuvenation on some of these areas. The CIC Zero Carbon Park was conceived in 2011. We're lucky that won the design competition and ultimately finishing this building. The purpose of this Zero Carbon Park is twofold. Firstly, primarily it has an education dimension to it. It has an experimental dimension where we have tried new technology. And the building is partly as a demonstration education center.
My name is Bowie. I'm from Hong Kong. I'm a master student from Hong Kong U studying in environmental management. I'm really amazed by this project because perfect showcase to Hong Kong that net zero can be achieved.
Building is both the problem and the opportunity if we need to combat carbon emissions. The zero carbon buildings advocates a low carbon lifestyle for Hong Kong.
Zero carbon, our definition is that overall, on an annual basis, we will not consume any energy from the energy supply company.
We reduce the demand of the energy, and then we do as energy efficient as possible by the building systems. For generations of renewable energy on site, we have two technologies. First is the waste to energy trigeneration systems. The second renewable energy technology is the photovoltaic, which is about 800 square meters. The earth cooling systems. It is systems which we take on the air from the park, cooled out by the mass of the ground. By pre-cooling the air, we can use less energy in the air conditioning systems.
For the concrete that we use in this building, we try to use those fuel ash. Those power generation plant, they use a lot of coal, and then we use this as a replacement for cement. And also we try to make use of those locally available construction material.
Right around that site, it's all these office buildings. And I think on weekdays, this park also not only serves as a green space for people, but it also serves as a green lungs for that high density environment where air can go through, and also bring back a bit of nature. Able to find out the roots and recreate in this native woodland, it's very powerful. They also bring in birds and other animals, start creating a very biodiversified environment.
The Zero Carbon Park is a demonstration project, but each bit of it provides an idea, a message, a methodology for designers and contractors.
This project have shifted the entire building industry, design industry, architectural, and all that, the whole industry from a non-carbon, non-sustainability sort of mindset to a very, very progressive approach towards sustainability, towards how we measure our carbon footprint. And that movement, it's now perpetuated up until today. And I think this building, this project have solidified or landmark as a big step forward